Hello everyone, I'm Choi for the class CS300, and we have something left out because of the lecture time. So we have an exam next week, and I'd like to discuss about some slides which were left out from the last class. The data warehouse is a little different with the operational database. The operational database supports the routine daily business, but the data warehouse is about the non-operational data, which includes pretty much everything, every format, including the operational database, and also the historical database, some other external database outside of the company, mainly for the decision making. So it consolidates and standardizes the data from many different resources, again, including the operational, non-operational as well. Data mart is a special subject area in data warehouses area that is highly focused and isolated for a specific population of the users. As an example, likely a marketing side, product side, or something design side of the product, they can take a look at the data mart specialized area to retrieve the intelligent business data. Hadoop is a technology provided by the Google, and it's open source, and that is designed for large data. And then the major big like a chunk of the data can be attacked by the small computers in distributing environment, and that is pretty much widely accepted in industry to analyze the big data, and also it's treated as like a platform in data warehouse or big data. In-memory computing, as I illustrated in the lecture, and that is the mechanism. The data is very close to the RAM area. Instead of going to the separate place of the database and retrieve the data from the remote site into the processor, instead all the data, the necessary data maybe, attached to the near place of the RAM, and then more kind of efficient in retrieving the data by doing that way. It's called in-memory computing. Originally, it's coined and developed by SAP, which is one of the main industry players in the ERP package, and they launched a product called HANA as part of the in this in-memory computing area. And the data analytical platforms is a combination of the hardware and software systems, mainly designed for the query processing and business analytics. And we use a relational and non-relational database, and also we have an in-memory system plus the NoSQL DBMS included. And NoSQL means not only SQL, which means the traditional SQL and also non-traditional format included in this technology called NoSQL. Skip it. And OLAP is a multi-dimensional data analysis, and also that is designed for mainly decision making in an organization using the historical data and also the operational routine data as well. So OLAP supports multi-dimensional view of the data, which means region-wise, timing-wise, and human resource-wise. We can analyze the data in terms of the sales volume and who sold certain products as compared to the last year quarter, first quarter, or second quarter, etc. And it enables users to obtain online answers, which means the business intelligence to the decision making as an ad hoc approach. This is an example of the multidimensional data model, likely the product size, different categories, nuts, bolts, and region-wise. And this one is actual and projected. So you can say something human resource, likely salesperson A, salesperson B, and products and region. And then also you can put timing dimension as well. Data mining is trying to find the hidden certain patterns and relationships in large database, and it infers rules from them to predict the future behavior. This is part of the business intelligence technique to dig out the data, find out the patterns from the cluster to another cluster. So the types of the information obtainable from data mining will be those associations, what are the sequences, the taxonomy, classification, clustering. Eventually, we need to get the intelligent business information out of the large data by digging out the data warehouse platform. Text mining, just read through. Web mining is a search activity, discovery and analysis of useful patterns and information from the web, and it details down to content mining, meaning the content from the websites on specific topic. Structured mining mines website structured elements such as link and patterns and etc. So just to read through. Ensuring data quality. In this case, inconsistencies, redundancies will be caught by this technique, and by maintaining the quality guideline. And we need to have an activity of auditing about data consistency, data integrity, and etc. And data cleansing is an activity of detecting or correcting the incorrect data, incomplete data, and also improperly formatted data. So the exam will be next week, and including the data warehouse, data mining, web mining, all these things, along with the topics and slides that we've discussed for the last few weeks. So take a look at the concepts and topic lists that I have as part of the guidelines of the exam midterm 2. Thank you very much.